Hana, ready?
Patay sila pa bola si balaan kayo sa buhaton, balo ba ka? Diretso ang bola, hindi ka to.
Asa si Hana, tulo.
Good job, Cora! Let's go! Di kalihok. Dili kalihok si karon si Bukbuk Tambok.
Hana, ready?
Wala na, kita mo? Kita mo, Cora! Kita mo? Diretso ang bola. Tignan nila diretso nila si taon.
Hana, ready?
Kuskana!
Boy, you better be a boy!
There you go. Kita kalampasan niya. May pag-feel ko na.
Let's go, Cheetahs!
Kusgan kayong mga bata.
Don't stop!
Kick
Let's go!
hard! Kick hard! Oh my goodness.
Come on, girls!
There you go, Hannah!
Go, go, go!
Good job, Hannah! Wapat tapat niyo, bro. She's so pipig. Good job, Hannah. You need to push her. Do it, okay? Take a shot, Bo! Uh-oh!
Come on, Happy!
Take a shot, Nati. Oh, kita mo istorya. Good job, Emily!
Let's go, Em!
Take a shot, Bobo!
Big kick! Yes, girl! Nice there you go!
Bo, you need tell Bo to play a part because the girl is really pushing
Stay on
this
the
girl.
line! Stay on the
35?
line!
I don't think she's 10 years old. This one, oh.
Watch the right, Mike. Watch the right, Mike.
Miley!
Yes, get it!
Go, Bo! Go, Bo!
Hana, ready?
Oh, too close. Take a shot! Take a shot! Oh, you gotta take a shot. Take a shot now!
Come on.
Nice try, Angeline. You should just take a shot.
Hana, ready? Hana, ayun na ball, Hana.
Let's go, Cheetahs!
Ready, Hana?
Wherever you're supposed to be, Havana, but you're supposed to face the bill.
I know. Don't step in, you're supposed to be, Havana pa.
Boy, you were supposed to miss by removing me.
Lupusan menu for babadi pi, Havana pa. Oh. Good job, Bo. Good job, Bo. Oh.
Karena mag-stand sa ginana ba? Sana? Karena stand na na, balo ba mga pagdagan ng bola, maligyan siya.
Ayo.
Dili
Oh.
ready.
George Mahal
On your
team.
toes, Hana.
There you go, there you go. Hana, lockdown defense, Hana. Oh, yes. Hana, nakakalusot na sila, Hana.
Back up, Mahaki.
The way nga magdula ni Pikas mas kan. Ilang vibes. Siya, ayun.
Let's go, let's go. Go, go.
Oh. Oh, who's there?
Mighty, get closer to her.
There you go, Mahati.
Don't stop, Abby.
Hannah! Protect the ball, Hannah! Hapana pa?
Let's go, let's
Ay,
go.
tao sa likod. Nagkakulang siya. Protect the ball!
Hey.
Yeah!
Go!
Woo! Let's go, Angelique. Hannah!
Hannah!
Hannah? Protect the ball! Somebody was behind you.
Clear that ball out.
Good job, Angelique. Let's go, Cheetahs! Play hard, let's go!
Hannah, ready?
Lockdown defense, Hannah, lockdown! Yes! Good kick, Angelique. Evelyn. There you go. Get there, Abby. Yes, Evelyn! Go ball! Go ball! Oh, good Lord.
That's right.
Look up! Look up! Oh, get there, Hannah! Get there! Good job, Hannah! Oh, big kick, Evelyn! Big kick! There you go. Get it out of there.
Out.
Get it out. Good job, Emily. Let's go. Ball run to the ball. Oh.
Outside.
Go, Abby. Go, Abby. Big kick. There you go. That's all you need. That's all you need. That's all you need. That's all you need. Ah, ball.
Oh!
Harder ball.
Come on! Emily! Come, Emily! Emily! Hannah, ready?
Ball, look up, go. Kick hard, go. You can do it. Let's go. Kick hard.
Sana do hope. Ready lang dito Hannah.
Oh!
Ready.
Good job, good job.
Good job.
Good job, defense! Smiley, lockdown defense, okay? China! Lockdown, nobody gets through you guys. Let's go!
Ba lang?
Never do that if you guys were up two and then they score four. That's bad. No defense. That wasn't good for coverage. Go ball! Come on, Emily. Let's go, Em. Let's go, Em. Ooh.
The bear on your butt, the ball is a bad ball.
Yes! Let's go! Help Angelique! Help Angelique!
Where's the ball?
Take a big shot. Oh.
Whoa.
Miley, watch the puck. Watch the...
Shots, Bahati. Let's go.
You got it, Miley. Let's go. Good job, defense. Let's go.
No, they're not.
No, that's good. It's good. I'm not saying. Sus, klaro tayo. Shoot it.
shot, Mahati! Take a big shot, Mahati!
Yeah.
Woo! Good job, girls! Let's go!
7-11.
Where's Kelly today?
My son has a game
Ah,
at the same
soccer game
time,
also?
soccer game as well.
Ah.
So she has to take him to
Yeah.
his game. It's a 2-2. She just told me the score game just ended 2-2.
Ah, they won? Ah,
2-2
even.
tie,
Oh,
yeah.
okay. Big kick,
Hannah,
Hannah!
Hannah, clear, baby.
Hannah! Hannah, either you keep it or keep it up higher. Good job, Cora.
There you go.
Let's go.
Angelique, come on.
Let's go, Angelique. Nah, wala na, no more. That's done. That's done.
Oh.
Ow! Hannah! Hannah! Shh. Shh. You guys are up. Defense, big time, okay? Big time defense, Hannah. Good job, Mahati. Oh, nice is not here.
Oh. Let go, let go.
Di sila magsalit. Di sila magsalit. Wala nang kakanta pa rin. There you go, Bo. Bo, keep going, Bo, keep going. Don't play with the ball, Bo. Oh, Bo. Okay, let it go. Bo, 2 touches, Bo. Go. Let it go, Mati.
Oh. Good job, Bo.
Ayan siya, oh. Yeah. Come on, Angelique. Let's go, Angelique. Let's go, Angelique. Are you good? Take it, Emily.
Emily, just kick it.
Just kick it in already. Better than losing the ball. Big kick. Yes, Miley.
Good job, Miley.
Good job, Miley.
Keep it up, Miley. Good job.
Yay, defense.
Stay with the player and just go up.
Let's go, Cheetahs. Nana, ready?
Yes, good job. Let's go. Get ready, Hannah. Get ready, Hannah. There you go, Evelyn.
Let's go, Natalie.
No. Yeah, do better. It was a handball for sure. That's okay. If he doesn't call, he doesn't get Oh, clear it, Mati. Go, that's it. You're done. Ah, okay. Never mind.
She's fast, but she doesn't have size.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. Come on! Oh my goodness!
Oh, good job. Let's go. Take a shot, Em.
Hey,
Help,
Bo,
her.
come on, Bo!
Bo, take a shot,
Drag
Bo.
it!
Bud, don't be scared to take a shot.
Yeah. Just keep taking that shot. It's bound to go in.
Nana, ready?
Saan ba si coach? Palima sa ang score bago kang nagsusulo sa ibang tao.
Let's get a second half start.
Oh,
Good
Alvin's
job, Natalie. Let's go.
Alvin's midfield now.
Yeah, I know. She got moved. Her chance to score now. Let's go.
Keep asking mama.
So you have to really tough to make plans.
Second half,
What do you do when you going out?
the only thing that.
When you're in the field already, just to practice.
On the field?
Yeah.
Oh, I do that for free.
No,
Ryan.
Especially that. Especially that.
Oh my God, did you see? Look at that girl against Natalie. You see the one against Natalie? Look, 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 look. Look at the girl next to Natalie. Look, Natalie's all pushed. Look, the ball is still so far.
Again, push up.
Go, Natalie! There you go. Keep going, Miley. Miley. Higher. Let's go, Bo. You got this, Bo. Big kick, Bo. Big kick, Bo. Go, Evelyn. Go, Evelyn. Oh, move, guys. What are you guys doing? Small kick. Good job, Bo. Big kick, Bo. Big kick, Bo. There you go. Cross it, M.
Get closer to her, Bo. Help her.
Good job, Miley.
Alvin, Gabby!
Evelyn, take it, Evelyn.
Take
a
a beat,
shot,
Evelyn. Evelyn.
Take a shot.
Yes.
Oh, that was good. That's okay.
Ah.
Shot, take a shot.
Oh.
There's no rice there.
Todo mamaayos.
Kayo. Matter of time lang yun.
Dati kahana na.
Hannah, go down. Let Evelyn stay up with her.
Look at number 17, Hannah.
Oh, Hannah, stay with 17.
17, Hannah.
You're the
Go, Evelyn. Go, Evelyn. Bo, take a shot, Bo. Take a big shot. Let's go. Take a big shot, Bo. Keep going there.
Oh my goodness.
Now.
Come on, Em!
Wow. Go, Emily. Morna. Good job, Bo.
Sila ka-score lang.
Good job, Emily.
Sila ka-score.
Nag-try si Bo.
Ano, sila ka-score lang.
Si Emily.
Ba't na? Sila na iapas.
I know. So no first up, you'll never know.
Lalak na na.
Hannah.
Let's go, Abby. Come on, Abby.
Pagkasulang, no? Kung puro mo tinanay tayo gamay, kung puro mo tinanay.
Go, Evelyn. Go, Evelyn. Uh-oh, too short. Bring it over.
Go, take it, take
Go,
it.
Abby. There you go.
Open up,
Let's
Abby.
go. Let's go, M. Let's go, M. Cross it, M. Cross it, M. Cross it, M. There you go.
Take it.
Go, Abby. Take a shot.
Take it up.
Bo.
Okay, go.
Oh, Bo.
Take the
Take a
shot.
shot,
Come on,
Bo.
Bo.
Take a shot, Bo. Good job.
Yes, Bo.
Nice try, Bo. Go,
Evelyn.
Evelyn. Get away from her and take a shot. Good job, Bo. Oh, they're all in there. All of them are in there. You ready? Miley! Yes, Miley!
Just have to. No, I'm getting free. Come on.
Run, Hannah, run!
Pero I'm getting
Hey, Miley! Yes,
Oh.
get away from... talk to each other, guys. Big kick, guys. Get it out of there. Hannah!
Watch out, down. You okay? Sorry, you okay? Are you okay, Dan? Are you okay? Sorry.
You're on camera now.
But what if I'm on camera? I'm stronger than you.
Clear. Oh. Oh. Go kick. Go kick.
Hapana pa, kuska, Hannah. Over, hapana pa. Bipig, repain po, pokey pick. Let's go.
Boy, you better be a boy!
There you go. Oh,
Handball. Handball. Handball.
Better be the big.
hapana pa.
Boy, you better
Hapay.
be a boy. Anna. Anna.
Pwede pinapaya, hapana pa. Chapaya po, pass my love. Let's
Know
go.
your steps, Hannah. Know your steps.
Evelyn, get up, Evelyn. You're not a defender.
Middle. There you go. Nice, Hannah. Yes, Emily. Nice try, Natalie. It's okay.
Ah, di ni sila maulang.
Baka mas mababa. Hindi nakita ko na ni sila dyan.
Oh. Tabang lang siguro. Pata ka doon muna.
Oh, Evelyn, there you go. Keep going, keep going. Big kick. Yes, Miley, more Miley. Big kick, Miley. There you go.
Pass it. Pass it.
I'm gonna start going up.
Open up, Abby. Open up.
Bow.
Oh,
Bow.
it's, oh, there you go.
Oh, almost.
Hannah!
There you go, Hannah. Go, Evelyn. Just take a shot, Evelyn. You know she's smart, but I just want her to take a shot. Get the ball there.
Good! Good! Press! Good!
Is it hot now? Stay behind the chair. I'm gonna bring up the umbrellas.
Go. Forward. Dapat nagdala kang tulukan yung ani dun yung pattern. No, try na. The thing that I like about this is hard. That one I call the phone. No, pag anak ko, magbutang ko o foam. Pwede kayo mo unlock. Go, Evelyn. Go, Evelyn. There you go. Oh, yes, Amelia. Oh. Mga bata. Ano siya? Good job.
Your brain. You might think they'd be enough to power it all day, but your brain actually uses the same amount of power as a light bulb at any given moment. That means you would need over 160 double A's for just 1 day of brain power. And to run it for a year would take nearly 60,000 batteries, enough to fill an entire dumpster. And over your
Good
lifetime,
job, Bo.
use over 4 million more. And if you stack them up, they'd reach
Yeah.
so nice! Again!
There you go, Miley.
You might think they'd be enough to power it all day, but your brain actually uses the same amount of power as a light bulb at any given moment.
Talk to each other, guys. Go, Natalie. Yes.
This guy was quite upset because whenever he goes to brush his teeth, he finds a lot of hair in the brush. So without brushing his teeth, he just washes his face. When he feels thirsty, he goes to drink water. And he finds hair there too. When he goes to eat food, he finds hair there also. But as soon as the wife takes out the trimmer, he quickly starts eating. This guy was quite upset because whenever he goes to brush his... Oh my gosh, this McDonald's was so good. What the heck, Nick? What? What's wrong? Why are you throwing your trash in my car? It's not that big of a deal. I mean, you're right. What did you say? Oh, Roger said I was going to go to the car. I'm so sorry. It's not that big of a deal. I'll never throw trash in your car again. Could we just please not go over here? Mikey, can we please turn around? Mikey, what's going on? I'm scared. What kind of nightmare is this? Please help. Oh, what is it? Is that an octopus? It's not an octopus. It's just cleaning the car. Mikey, it's so dark. I don't know where I am. I'm scared. What is it? Am I going to be stuck in this limbo forever? That wasn't so bad.
Wala.
My car again? I promise you, Mikey. Okay, good.
Go, Cora! Take a shot, Cora!
Oh,
Take a shot, Cora.
come on.
Oh God, why is Doraemon's house open? Doraemon will not be able to get out from here. There are so many houses here. In which house is Doraemon's house? Who is sleeping inside it? Let me open the door and see. Hey, Jerry is sleeping in it. Okay, Jerry, go to sleep. Doraemon is not here. I will close the door. Hey, who is sleeping inside this door?
Oh.
Tom is sleeping here.
Cora!
Doraemon is not
Shit.
here. Go to sleep, Tom. I will close the door. Doraemon must be here. Do you look inside? Hey, what is this? Jerry is sleeping here. Doraemon is sleeping hanging above. Jerry, let's go.
Abin, go.
It's not safe for you. Oh God.
Oh, short of a pass.
Bus plunged into the lake. You're made, Mahati. Come on. He was a champion swimmer.
Oh, yep, sorry.
Without hesitation. However, he swam 30 feet down in the freezing
Oh, that's mine, yeah. That's mine, yeah. Yeah, thank you so much.
This water almost happened. He saved 20 people before collapsing.
Let's go!
Bo, come on, Bo.
The bus plunged into the lake. He watched on in horror, but he was a champion swimmer. And
Go, Mahati!
over
Go look for.
Shoot it now. Shoot it. Get more. Look. It's on your sweater now.
Come on, Bo, kick it.
Oh, almost.
That's yours, Dad. Come on, that's yours.
Mati, go, Mati, now. Yes, that's it. That's it. That's it. That's it for Angelique. Now,
Mhm.
Angelique.
job, lady.
Hat trick, Angelique. Good job. 25. Yeah. 25.
Oh, Hannah.
Hana, wapas, dapat, tapana pa. That's why I tell you to put your body fee. Your face, if you pants.
Use your body, Hannah. Don't,
That's the boss. That's embarrassing to me. Whatever you gonna do with me?
Oh, stupid. Look, at your lawas.
where are we going?
Use your body, Hana.
Friend's house. Hey,
Mura
Mary.
ka,
What did she call her? I'm good. What's wrong with your kid? Hello? Your name isn't Mom? What? No? Are you stupid? I can never trust you again.
Tell her higher.
Get out of here.
You better be hapay. Habanaba.
Napaw, tell her.
Nabaw. You better be hapay.
There you go. Galing ni Miley, ah. Hana! Don't you people parapet for yourself, please? Use your body pee. Ano siya pawilan? Yan na. Puno ka rin. Kabaw, take a shot. Wow! Ay! Nice try, Bo. Keep doing that, Bo. Keep doing it, Bo. Good job, Bo. There you go.
Come on, Cora, let's get it go.
Oh my goodness.
No,
Come on, Bo.
no, there you go. 6, yeah. That's the way to do it, Bo. Good job.
Yes. Yes, again. It's at Mapia Sports Center. Yeah. They just finished. It's 2-2, so this game is a lot one-sided.
Yes, Natalie, keep going. Oh, mahati bigla. Yeah, first time, it's the first half. Yung ikot mahati dugay. Sa Angelit.
Come on, Mike. Come on, Mike.
Hey, where are the adults in your house? Hurry up and come out. Ask his mom what happened.
Yeah!
You love yourself.
What, yeah?
Yeah,
Yeah, after the game is almost over. We'll win.
No.
Blister your mouth
We're
and throat
over.
as you swallow, and as your tissues swell, it could block your airways, making it hard to breathe. When it reaches your stomach, you have severe pain and vomiting, and it could even
Let's go, Cheetahs. Push up. Push up. Go, Cora. Yes, Cora.
rub yourself with poison ivy. Blisters will form almost instantly. So what would happen if you ate a poison ivy salad? Well, the leaves would blister your mouth and throat as you swallow, and as your tissues swell.
Hey guys, prank time. So every single time that my brother looks into a mirror, he literally stands there all day because he thinks he's so good looking. So I'm gonna prank him. He's gonna go, oh, you're thinking this is a mirror, but if anything, it's fake. Let's get started. My day is so wonderful. Nothing bad is gonna happen. Why did we place a mirror here? Wait, why do I look so ugly? Bad hair and huge forehead.
Go, Natalie.
Looks like I got hit by a truck. Hey guys, prank
Chill.
time. So every single time that my brother looks into a mirror, he literally stands there all day because he thinks he's so good looking. So I'm gonna prank him. He's gonna walk over here thinking this is a mirror, but if anything, it's fake. Let's get started. My day is so wonderful. Nothing bad is gonna happen. When did we place a mirror?
Go, Cora. Let's go.
Why do I look so ugly?
Go, Cora. Go, Cora. Up. Push up. Cora, your dad wants to go. Let's go. Got this. Go, Amelia. Hey, come, Amelia. Come on. Dale, Cora. Dale. Shoot it.
There you go. Yeah, there's no limit here.
Nice pass, Cora.
Now scoop everything out.
Ay, butang balik siya. Oh, butang sa offense.
Oh, Hannah.
Anna, this is your Japan, Savannah pa. This is your for Japan. Come on.
Basta push your ball, Havana. Basta push the ball, give me pictures for 50 being developers.
Paano pa? Trapay to push ko po. Pokipay? You're giving up at Japan. So paano pa? Let's go.
Then mo lang, add lang 5. 15 lang.
Nana, wag mo give me people for 50 pin developers to 50 push ko po.
50 pin developer. So paano pa? Let's go.
Nice, mine. Let's go. Cora, dribble, babe. Dribble. Kick it.
Hannah's there.
Oh,
Hannah,
come on.
run! Hannah, run! Run, Hannah, run! Hannah, run!
Kelly.
Oh, wow! Go, Mati. Go, Mati. Cross it, Mati. Cross it, Mati.
Hey, Sam, wake up.
Paano pa?
Are you going to play with your gun all day?
Rapan!
Huh? What's this? Oh, so you're here. Come on, eat your food. Huh? What is this?
Go, Paul.
She scored.
I won't spare this boy today.
I didn't see you.
Sam,
Oh,
this must
shoot.
be a dummy, too.
It was great.
What happened?
Yeah.
Come on, I'll give you some tea.
Mom, surprise!
Hey, Sam, wake up. What are you doing? Are you going to play with your gun all day? Huh? What's this?
Get it, Amelia. Get it,
Oh, so
Amelia.
you're
Get
here.
it.
Come on,
Outside,
eat your
get
food.
it.
Huh? What's this? I won't spare this boy today.
Gotta run. Let's go.
Sam, this must be a dummy, too.
What happened?
Take it, Cora.
Come on, I'll give you some tea.
Mom, surprise!
Kick it, Cora.
Get your ball. I mean, Hannah.
Run, Hannah, run! Take a shot, Hannah! Take a shot!
Oh, my
Oh
goodness.
my God, you're too slow!
This is-
No yelling. Said no yelling.
I'm not saying anything. I'm just laughing.
You put to push the ball, ha? Paano pa?
I hear you say.
Hannah!
I said go go. I knew it. Say sorry.
Sorry.
Come on, nice. Kick it.
Wala sa ball. Wala sa ball.
Side.
Basta. Big kick, Amelia. Big kick, Amelia. There you go.
Very good.
Good job, Amelia.
Whatever you have to do it quickly. We have very little time. We can also get caught.
Shot, big.
Sir, I am done with you.
Evelyn, there you go.
Why are we doing all
Oh,
this?
there you go.
You do the work when I tell
Run, Hannah!
I'll tell you later why we did it. But sir, I am very
Paano pa?
afraid.
Tipid ka pa
I'm
siya
with
pa.
you,
Pa-5
so
benefit.
you have
Let's
nothing to
go.
fear. And as soon as this train
Tipid ka ka paano pa?
the train will explode. Sir, the train is about to bring me closer. I see you in camera.
Hannah, go! Hannah! Oh my God, what the heck, man?
Said no yelling.
Kapit.
Naked. Ano siya telepon mo? Ano pang galaipit?
Timers went off.
He's naked. Heal. Baliw.
What did you do? It went off, I swear.
Who was it?
Nagbalik mo sa
Never
likod.
lied. Mine is very bad.
Okay, sorry.
The next day.
Emily, I mean,
Paano pa? Hannah! You pull up on your pants. You're back to being na pa.
I don't know.
Take a big shot. Paano pa? I mean it.
outside.
It was outside, Hannah. It's a kick. Let's
It's
go.
okay, Hannah.
Kick it. Let's go. Push up.
Hold it pa we pay. Let's go. It's your chance. Paano pa?
Come on, Cora.
You're participating. You put your pants.
Evelyn, get up, Evelyn.
Evelyn.
Evan, you're midfield.
There you go.
There you go, B.
Go. Go, Natalie. Big kick, Natalie. Go, Evelyn. Go, go, go.
Good pass.
Oh, be there, be there. Get there, Hannah. There you go. Hindi siya makastag balik. Oo nga. Hinay kay siya. Hinay kay in. Mga 2-3 times nasa chance. Bata siya, ha? Hindi ka tuduan na din niya. Alam niya tuloy-tuloy siya. Yeah, strong will lang din siya.
The doctor took a police toy out of the child's nose, but the child was still crying. When the doctor checked more carefully, he found and removed a firefighter toy. Everyone was confused. The next day, the same child came back. The doctor, now suspicious, checked the child's nose again. This time, he found a firefighter truck. The doctor started thinking deeply. Why is this child doing this? First a police toy, then a firefighter, then a fire truck. It seemed like something was still missing. Then the doctor had an idea. The boy was trying to send something here for a reason. The doctor tried using a magnet, and this time a small toy cat came out. That's when the doctor
Let's go, Angelina. Wow. Mamatay na ditong bata si Shaggy. Diyan, Amelia.
Again.
Bo, go up, go up.
Bo, that's yours, Bo! Take a shot, Bo! There you go. Yes.
Get one more, Bo.
Hat trick, Bo!
Get one more.
I know.
Today for school lunch, I'm setting my daughter her favorite.
There was a cat who used to steal people's slippers. She'd sell them to a little shop, and in return, the shopkeeper would give her some food. She'd take that food and share it with her kittens. One day, while she was stealing a slipper, a boy caught her in the act. He got angry and beat her up badly. She was still breathing, but instead
Go, Natalie! Go, Natalie! Take a shot, Natalie! Take a shot, Natalie! Oh, good Lord.
Evelyn, get up. You're midfield.
by then, she wasn't alive anymore. Her tiny kittens were also drifting in the water. They hadn't eaten anything since yesterday. They were crying out of hunger, as if their voices were trying to wake their mom up, but it was already too late. Some of the kittens couldn't survive the hunger and quietly left this world. The cat, wherever she was now, felt deep regret, but there was nothing she could do. There was a cat.
Come on, Natalie. Oh.
Hi, Nicole. Hi. They don't say hi to Nicole, Dan.
Angelina.
They don't say hi to Nicole, Dan. Say hi. Yeah, say hi.
Angelina, two hat tricks. Let's go.
8-0. Wait, did they just score? Did they just score? Okay, so it's 9-0 then. No. Wait, yeah, I think it's
Angelina
9-0.
just scored.
Like,
Oh, that counted?
I thought that was offside, but yeah, it might have
No,
been.
it counted. They reset.
So it's 9-0.
Is it 9? Is it 8 only?
I have to. I think
it was 7 earlier.
this.
Then
I have to count 9-0. Yeah.
inhaled the dart tip while playing with the
Then
Yeah.
0 now.
That's yours, Amelia. Yes. I did.
Abang, kita.
Kasi hinay kailang defense eh.
You won't believe what happened to me. Today I was playing against Red Tape with the ball. I threw the ball and hit him full in the face. He fell to the ground and get KO'd. But the important thing is that the ball has stayed on the neighbor's balcony. I need to get it back before he realizes it.
This man made a big mistake when he started doing pull-ups by grabbing the ceiling right in front of the homeowner. He thought maybe if the owner saw how strong the ceiling was, he might offer some extra money. But the moment he came down, he realized the ceiling had been completely damaged. Now, to fix his mistake, he's trying to repair it using this hot air machine, and luckily it gets brand new. Look, this man made a...
John? John?
No arms whatsoever.
Oh no! What is it? I'm
Officer, something's wrong with
Look
my
at
son.
where he is.
I lost my iPad. There it is. I almost missed my Roblox walk stream.
Daddy?
Oh no!
I think so. Look at it.
What is it?
So,
What is it?
because he started
Let's go, Miley!
Officer, something's wrong with
Go,
my son.
Miley, run!
Run, Miley! Run, Miley!
Allie, oh, there it is. I almost missed my Roblox walk
Happy
stream.
birthday from Arnold.
That's the mom I do every
It's just so
Started
good.
the friend. Look. Yeah, this rose. Look, am I on the same side? Okay, I just want to show that. Alam ko, nag-split siya. Di ko matingala. Nagtubag lang dito sa inyong text.
made out of the fanciest gold.
The same na gyapon ko nagtubag.